Click on the Zoom link that we have provided and sent to you through email. Or enter the meeting ID in the appropriate field and click Join. The meeting ID will be a 10-digit number. Just before entering the meeting, you will be prompted to enter a display name. Simply input the name of your child in order to identify them during the online class. If the meeting is provided by a password, you will be asked to input the password. We have provided this on the email that we sent you. Note: if this appears, just sign into your own personal login details to continue. Once the meeting has started, you'll be asked how you'd like to join the meeting audio if you're on a computer. You should select Join with Computer Audio as below. Once you're in the meeting, if you've joined the meeting before the host, you might be shown a holding screen until the host will start the meeting. It'll look something like this. If your child wishes to answer a question during class, it is a good protocol to use the raise hand facility. If the toolbar is not showing at the bottom of the Zoom window, place your cursor over the Zoom window so it appears and select the participants icon. A window listing other participants will appear. There is also a raise hand icon. Click the icon to make it known for the teacher that your child is raising a hand. Mute your microphone to speak. Before you speak, remember to unmute your microphone. You can do this in the main participant meeting screen or in the participants window. When your microphone is muted, there is a red line through the microphone icon. Clicking on the microphone icon will unmute it. Leaving a Zoom meeting. After the class meeting, to leave a meeting, just select End then Leave Meeting.